Clara's a little temperamental. We don't know whether she's gonna let me work on her today or not. 2, 3, there it goes. Oh, there it cracked. Wiggle back and forth. See how we're doing our butts together? Here we are at Tamerlaine Santuary, and we're in New Jersey, right?
Yep.
So we're about 2 hours from New York. I just drove up this morning. We're seeing a lot of animals. How many animals do you think you have? About 250?
Yeah, around
250. And it's such a beautiful farm. Now, they also have an Airbnb here, so you can come book a night or a weekend. Check out their website, and if you ever care to help them with donations, that's awesome. Or if you want to come visit and see the animals yourself, and the Airbnb is just beautiful. I mean, this is picturesque here. Really unbelievable. It's only 2 hours from New York City. So we have Clara. She lived in a bathroom for 4 years in a horrible hoarding situation. Clara finally got rescued and brought here to Tamerlaine Sanctuary, where I'm here today. So Clara was stuck in a bathroom on bathroom tiles, couldn't even touch the ground with her little feet, and her bones grew weird. And even though they've been under great healthcare here at Tamerlaine, they've only been able to do so much with her legs. Clara's a little temperamental. We don't know whether she's gonna let me work on her today or not. That's why I'm trying to ask for permission. May I work on you a little bit without you biting me? All right, this is your atlas. I'm just gonna see if that makes you relax a little bit. Yeah, shaking your little atlas a little bit. Now let me rub that for you, okay? Your pole area. But here I am massaging up here, doing a little petrissage up on the neck, working down here. Yeah, right in there. That's a little muscle knot. I'm gonna just rub that for you. And I'm gonna come down the back. Just feel your spine. And oh my God, there's a spot there. All right, there you go. You've been through a lot. Does anybody know how old Clara is? Would they guess?
I want to guess like 12 or 13.
12 or 13, okay. Thanks for letting me look at you today. And here's your pelvis. And down here on your sacrum. And these are the tuber sacralis, and in between is your sacral base. And all right, there's one. This, you might even like this. It might be good treatment for you. All right, there's another one. All right. Oh, wow. Did you feel that one, Clara? That was a good release. Like, that is good. Let me rub up your head again. Yeah, look at this. Working into your neck again, into the traps, the shoulder blades, deltoids. Yeah, you love this. Am I the first person to massage you today? You had a busy day at the spa. Got you. And I'm just feeling your spine as I go. So I'm holding your atlas here on the left now, your pole, wiggling the joints, working the back, working the hips, through the thoracic area, and right here, do you feel this area? This is where you hold a lot of stress. So I'm gonna just do a little motion in here, just to open up these facets, because you probably have a little arthritis in there by now. You're being a senior. I'm almost done. There's the nice shake that we wanted. Good. Good to shake it out. And that just means she's integrating this and accepting it and just letting that all go. And now here, this is one of your bad spots. May I get this for you? It might be the last thing we get today, because it might make you run away. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. Well, I came here from New York City to see you today. I didn't know you were going to be such a good sport about all this. Let's see what else we can do. Here's your little arm. Nice. I'm just rubbing out the front of your arm. And now I'm into the neck, deep into the neck here. There's a big old muscle knot in there. Do you feel that? So I'm just gonna work that out. And that's behind the jaw. But you know, this muscle comes down to the front of the top of the leg. So it comes from the atlas and through here and attaches right to the top of the humerus. So I'm working that whole chain now, up into here, up into the atlas, and coming down right there. Yeah. And let's just check the other side. Oh gosh, coming to this side. I can't believe you're letting me do so much with you. You're such a cooperating. And this side you're tight too. Do you notice that? You have a lot of tension. You've been at the computer too much. Too much texting, too much computer time. So this is something we call tech neck, technology neck, because she's at the laptop. Are you a gamer? Do you play video games too? All right. You kind of like this, right? You're thinking, wow, I like this, but I wish he'd shut up. He talks too much. If he would just shut up, I could really enjoy this. I'm sorry for talking too much. I'll be quiet for a minute. Okay. You know, I made a video called How to Massage Your Dog. If you ever want to look it up, it's called howtomassageyourdog.com. And now I want to do a howtomassageyourcat.com or how to massage your cat course. The dog one is 3.5 hours, 15 video chapters, but I'd love to do one on how to massage your pig. Okay. It's a good ASMR. Do you know what that means? It's that relaxing noise. Nice, look at that. You love that. Let it go. All right. Let's go. Nice. All right. Let you wiggle your hips. I'm going to stretch now. So I'm going to stretch long. So I got the sacral base here, and I got the occiput here. And I'm just stretching long. The whole spine. Kind of wiggle back and forth. This might not last too much longer. All right. Down the spine. And oh, anyway, so I was saying, so I should do a video called How to Massage Your Pig. And then people could learn how to massage a pig. Because I bet there's a lot of pigs that would love to be massaged. Look, now I'm grabbing the hip. This is a good move. I'm just wiggling the hips. And if you watch from behind, here, maybe come around behind, you can see how Clara's got some swag, some nice hip. I'll do it with you, okay? Here's my butt. See how we're doing our butts together? And we can bump butts. There you go. That's good to do. Just, when was the last time you got to bump butts with somebody? All right. And then we're going to wiggle that butt. Wiggle that butt. There you go. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then we can rub the butt out. Nice in there. Get your butt muscles. Can't believe you're letting me do this. Up in there through the glutes. Here's the hamstring right there. We have semimembranosus, semitendinosus, rectus femoris, right all through there, the little hamstring muscles. And here's another side, little tail. Let me adjust your tail. Let me do that. So I'm not going to yank it, I'm just going to let her traction it out. So I'm holding it, I'm putting my thumb on the sacral apex, getting high up here, right by the butthole. Look at her butthole. And I'm going to stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh, there, it cracked. Should we keep working? You just want me to keep going? What are you thinking about? All right, let's do a little percussion. See the butt jumping? Got to keep the fingers loose. If you ever do this to your pig's butt, You want to keep the fingers loose. Percussive. This is cups. Are we done? I'm fast. Gotta be fast enough to bite me. I think we're done, everybody. Thanks, Clara. You're a good person. Good pig.